When reading PDF documents, we may need to criticize or annotate the content of the article. So it's necessary to add text comments. We can use Add Text Comment in WPS to quickly add comments. There are two ways to add text comments. 1. Click Tools, choose Edit, and use the Add Text Comment feature to enter the corresponding text in the text box. 2. In the Tools bar, we'll find the Annotation window, and we can also select the Add Text Comment feature. We can also modify the color and size of the comment text. We can also share comments to multiple usage channels as long image or text. Isn't it convenient?